the premium badge against the American factory. And the fine print says who actually builds each one. Qcells is the value and supply pick. Q.TRON's N-type cells deliver 22% class efficiency with strong degradation specs, backed by the largest U.S. panel manufacturing footprint, Georgia fabs that matter for lead times, domestic content economics, and installer familiarity. Panasonic EverVolt panels still merit their premium in tight roof, aesthetics-driven projects. Top-tier efficiency, best-in-class temperature behavior, and the 25-year All-Guard system warranty. Panasonic's flagship runs about 22.2% efficiency with a temperature coefficient near -0.26% per degree. Best-in-class heat behavior that pays off on the hottest days. Qcells Q.TRON answers with about 22%, a strong -0.3 coefficient, and a year 25 output warranty of 90.6% against Panasonic's 92. Real gaps, but small ones, priced much larger than they measure. The fine print matters in 2026. Panasonic exited its own panel fabs. EverVolt panels are built by contract manufacturers to Panasonic's spec, with the brand's warranty behind them. Qcells runs the opposite play, its own Georgia factories, the largest U.S. capacity in the industry, which shows up as availability, shorter lead times, and domestic content weight. The All-Guard warranty also requires a Panasonic-certified installer to reach its full 25 years. Tight roof, hot climate, aesthetics first, certified installer available. Panasonic's premium buys measurable advantages. Everything else, which is most roofs, Qcells delivers 95% of the performance at a meaningfully better per-watt price, with American supply behind it. Quote, both on your layout and let the spread argue. The full comparison and FAQ are free at dreamyleads.com. General information, not professional financial, tax, legal, or insurance advice. See the full breakdown and compare your options at Dreamy Leads Research. The link is in the description.